Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You've seen the title. I'm really excited. Today we're gonna, it's over here, we're gonna unbox David Bowie's Black Star. I went and picked it up and it's really it's a really cool vinyl record. Or it looks cool. Luckily it's already been somewhat open. I should do it on camera. Some people find this satisfying, I think. Probably not with my farmer accent, but come on. No, don't squeeze it. No, hang on. There we go. Wow, this looks amazing. So shiny. Oh wow. Oh, we'll pull the record out in a minute. But first, look at this. Isn't that just an amazing gatefold? Why is it gone bright? Don't do that. My camera's messing up. But that is just beautiful. I don't know whether I'm going to be able to show you now with this camera. Right. Do that side first. Focus. It says it's got the lyrics to Black Star on it. And then obviously the Cosmos, which is really cool. That is, and it's so sad to see him like that, you know. But this album blew me away. From first listen to now, it's such an amazing album, and I think that David Bowie's Black Star is the best rock album of the last 10 years, without shadow of a doubt. Is there anything in this side? Yeah. Oh, there's a booklet. Let's have a look together. I haven't seen any of this before. Oh, it's the lyrics. But it's... you probably won't be able to see it with my camera. It's black on black. Oh, why are you doing that? Stop doing the bright... Sorry, everyone. I don't know why it's doing that. Lazarus. Oh, Lazarus. Look up here, man. I'm in heaven. I've got scars that can't be seen. I've got drama can't be stolen. Everybody knows me now. I can't sing, especially David Bowie's level. It's really cool. And we've got some pictures of the man. And then I believe the stars spell out Black Star, which is cool. And then we are a record channel. And actually, it's in a really nice protective sleeve. Look at this. That is really such a great quality to it, compared to what most records come in. So, I'll show you the label. Now, we'll have to take it out. Careful. There we go. Right. No brightness. There we go. It's a really nice label, and then just a plain one on the back. Does it tell you what pressing it is? Or? No, but it doesn't matter. So, this album, I'll talk about the songs. I'll do a vinyl review episode on it once I've done the others. This has to join the back of the queue. But Black Star, the title track, is really great. I love the groove and the beat to that song. Pity She Was a Whore is amazing. Lazarus is my favourite song on the album and my favourite David Bowie song. Obviously, I believe Lazarus is it the Greek god of death? Or it's the god of death. I forget which religion. But the song is just beautiful. You know, he knew he was sadly dying of cancer, and he had this look, or this he can see death. He knows death's coming, and when he wrote the song, you can really feel it in the lyrics, and it's just one of the most amazing experiences. David Bowie is one of the most talented people to have ever lived, and I'm quite sure in 200 years' time we will still be listening to David Bowie without a shadow of a doubt. Next one is Sue, or In a Season of Crime, which is great. Girl Loves Me, Dollar Days. I Can't Give Everything Away. It's an amazing closing track. Seriously, if you've never listened to Black Star, this is the album you need to give a listen to. And the music videos, especially for Lazarus, are amazing too. But overall, it's a really great quality, and sorry, I forget your name. Someone who's really nice and comments a lot told me that there are secret messages or something on the record, or on the... I'll have to have a look. If I find any, I'll make a video. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care, everyone. Hey everyone, I wanted to quickly talk about something that's been on my mind, and I wanted to put the question to you, the viewer. Does an artist's death or an artist passing away change how you view their music? And this has come, it's come from David Bowie's Black Star, because that album is a masterpiece, and obviously he released it, I think it came out after he passed away, but not that long. I think it was about a week, and he knew that his days were numbered, and I guess that I hate myself for not listening to that album and some of his earlier stuff till after he passed away. Everyone loves David Bowie's hits, but I'd never sat down and listened to one of his albums until after he passed, and they're still amazing albums, but it's something I think about. And Chester Bennington of Linkin Park was just so influential to me that it was incredibly sad when he passed away. And their album One More Light, when it came out, I didn't like it at all. I listened to it once, I thought it was terrible, and I trashed it. I trashed it publicly on my Instagram at the time. And I know that his passing has nothing to do with, well, I hope it has nothing to do with that album per se, but now, since I suppose the lyrical themes on that album make more sense, or I sort of understand them more now that he has sadly passed away, and it hits on a different level, if you will. I think it's just something, it's hard to explain, and the main question is, does an artist's death change how you feel about their music, or how you perceive their music? And it's really sad nowadays that a lot of these young rap artists are passing away from drug overdoses and things like that, and although I don't listen to their music, no one should die that young, and their music will live on. David Bowie will live on forever. We will always know who David Bowie is, and that's special. So, does an artist's death change how you feel about their music?